Enable free previews in a course. Simply go to your courses, open a course, or if you're already in there, scroll across to curriculum, choose the lesson that you wish the free preview to be available for. In this case, I'm going to choose the Welcome to the Course lesson. Generally, a free preview is for your potential buyers to see a little bit of the course before they buy it. So in this case, I'm just going to click Enable Free Preview, and you'll also notice that you have this option with all of the different lesson types. And we just cancel that because we need to make sure we save those changes before we jump to the next lesson type. But you'll notice that in audio and all of these different lesson types, we can enable free preview. So you can open more than one lesson if you want to. In this case, I'll do two, the first of section 1 and the first of section 2. And then I will hit save. Now we're going to quickly preview what your students would see or what your potential buyers would see on the platform. So I'm going to go into the course sales page as a visitor, and you're going to see that we have the option to view those first two lessons because they are enabled for free preview. And here we go. This is the sales page of this course, and you'll notice that this has preview and this has preview. Now these do not, and you cannot click them because they are not enabled for free. Unless you buy this course here, and this is a free course, but if you bought this course, then you would have access to these lesson types. So let's click the preview on here, and it will open up the curriculum and allow us to watch that particular lesson. Now, if we go down to here, you can see it says preview. We can also hear this audio file because it's opened as preview. If we try to go into one of the other pages, it will ask you to enroll to unlock that lesson, which is buying the lesson. So free previews or enabling them is a really good way for you to get people interested in your course and almost use it as a sell for your course sales page.